What if I told you there's a world on our own planet that's more alien than anything we can imagine in outer space? A realm so dark, so cold, and under such immense pressure that it breaks all the rules of life as we know it. Forget everything you think you know about biology. We're going deep, thousands of meters beneath the waves, into the eternal midnight of the abyss. Down here, sunlight is just a forgotten memory. The pressure is so intense, it would crush a military submarine like a soda can. And the cold is relentless, yet, against all odds, life doesn't just exist here. It thrives in the most bizarre and terrifying ways imaginable. This isn't just about survival, this is about evolution gone wild. In this crushing darkness, a different set of rules applies. Creatures have had to adapt in ways that seem straight out of a science fiction nightmare. With no light from the sun, they had to create their own. Imagine a living constellation of strange, ghostly lights moving through the blackness. This is bioluminescence, and it's used for everything from luring prey to finding a mate in the vast, empty expanse. But creating light is just one trick. With food incredibly scarce, you can't be a picky eater. The creatures of the deep have developed mouths that can unhinge to swallow prey larger than themselves. Their teeth aren't just for chewing. They're like rows of glassy needles designed to trap anything that blunders into their path. Think of the anglerfish with its glowing lure dangling in the dark, a deadly promise in the void. Or the viperfish, whose fangs are so long they can't even fit inside its own mouth. These aren't just fish. They're perfectly engineered hunting machines, built for a world of absolute scarcity. The shapes and forms you find here defy belief. Some look like translucent ghosts, with their internal organs visible through their skin. Others are all mouth and stomach, with barely a body to speak of. Their bodies are built for efficiency, for enduring unimaginable pressure, and for unleashing sudden, brutal violence. There's the gulper eel, which is basically a swimming stomach. There's the goblin shark, with a jaw that shoots out of its face to snatch its meals. Every creature is a masterpiece of alien design, sculpted by an environment that would kill us in an instant. For centuries, this world was hidden from us, a realm of pure speculation. But now, with advanced submersibles and robotic cameras, we're finally piercing the veil. We're sending our eyes into the abyss, and what we're finding is more astonishing than we ever dared to dream. The footage that comes back is haunting. We see movements and behaviors that scientists are still struggling to understand. We see creatures that seem to glide through the water with an effortless grace that belies the crushing force all around them. Some of the species we've discovered look nothing like any life form found on land or in the shallow seas. It's as if a completely separate tree of life took root down here. This raises a profound question. Are we looking at an alternate form of evolution? An experiment run by nature in the most extreme laboratory on Earth? The deep sea didn't just create another ecosystem, it created something else entirely. It's a testament to the sheer, stubborn, and sometimes terrifying power of life to find a way, no matter the odds. It's a reminder that the greatest mysteries aren't necessarily out there among the stars, but right here, in the dark, silent depths of our own planet. The abyss is waiting, and we have only just begun to scratch the surface of its secrets. Thanks for joining me on this dive into the unknown. If you're fascinated by the mysteries our world holds, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. See you next time.